of these giant granny squares and I'm ready to connect them together. But I think it could use a little white. I know, I can add a border. Do you want to know how to add a border after you finished your granny square? Well, I can show you just how to do that. Coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Diette and welcome back to Turtle Creativity. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a border once you've already completed a granny square. Now, your border can be any color that you choose. This technique that I'm going to show you also is great to use if you are continuing to crochet just one big giant granny square and you want to change colors in between. This technique is definitely what you would need to know. Well, let's get started. All right, let's begin. We're going to take our hook and our yarn. I'm going to go ahead and put a slip knot onto my hook. Going into the corner, I'm going to go ahead and chain up 3. I'm just going to tuck these tails over and we're going to go back and fix those. So 1, 2, 3. And then let's do 2 double crochets into this space. 1, 2. All right. Now, let's go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2. And we're going to move over into this second space. I'm going to take my tails and I'm going to work over them. So 3 double crochets. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right, chain 2, 1, 2. Now, double crochet 3 times in this space. 2, 3. All right, chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in the next space 3 times. Chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in the next space. 3 times. Okay? And you're going to keep going until we get to the end. I'll meet you there. All right. Now we're at the corner. Chain 2. And let's do 2 sets of 3 double crochet in this space. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Now let's go back. Now you will see we have our first border on to our granny square. And let's keep going all around following that same method until we get to this square, and I'll meet you there. So we're going to go all the way around until we get here, and then I'll rejoin you. Let's go. Okay. Let us now finish this together. Chain 2 into this space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to put 3 double crochets in this space, and 3. Let's chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to slip stitch into the top of this corner. There we have it, friends. Our white border added. Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed learning how to put a border on an already finished granny square, then please make sure that you like and share this video. And if you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe. Oh, and to stay in the know, please hit the bell below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.